Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do thread painting. So we need a little wool for that and white sheet and a brush and
paints,
that's it.
colors. So guys, we're gonna do two techniques today. Ahana is using only one thread to make her painting, and I'm using multiple pieces of threads to make my painting. So let's see how it goes. Not sure, trying it for the first time. Let's see how it works.
Yes. So for the first time I'm gonna color the the wool. So I'm just putting my white sheet aside so I can make it nice.
So we have taken A3 sheets, one each, and we have folded into half. And yes, we are wearing the gloves so that it's not too messy for our hands, because acrylic paint, as you know, takes very long
I
to
didn't take acrylic.
get out. She's not using acrylic paints, she's using the poster paints, and I'm gonna use the acrylic paints. So
which
we're gonna
we were using in
earlier
the previous
video.
videos.
Right. So we're gonna start now. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dip my whole wool into a single color, and Ahana is gonna what are you gonna do, Ahana?
I'm gonna paint it.
Ahana is gonna paint one single wool into different colors.
Yeah.
So just watch us.
Yeah, guys. So first I'm gonna take black, because I'm just gonna make it nice. Oh, for the first one I can just do an easier way. I'm gonna dip it all in like this. All it like this. I'm making the coolest in the world. Coolest blue in the world ever. So I'm ready and my mother is also ready.
Yes. So let's get started.
Start.
Alright, so guys, what I've done is I have dipped my threads into these colors. Now I'm just gonna pick up the threads and place it in a way that when I stretch them or when I pull them, it's some art. I'm trying. I'm trying. So let's start it.
So now I'm just
Waiting for my mother. Correct, Ahana?
correct Molly. So I'm gonna fold mine like this. One I'm gonna take the pressure and one I'm gonna hold the thread and gonna pull it out. I'm ready to see it.
I'm also ready to see yours, Ahana.
Okay.
Wow!
Guys! So
This looks so awesome, isn't it?
it looks so awesome, guys.
Well done, Ahana.
See? You saw my idea, Mommy?
Yes.
It just worked. I think so. My mother was doing another technique and I did another.
Yes, we both did different one. So guys, this is how I placed my threads, the colored threads. Now I'm gonna do same as Ahana has done. Let's see how it comes out. So I'm gonna
Mama,
fold.
you need to do fold it and one hand on the pressure and one hand hold it and pull it.
Okay, my love. I've just folded my sheet. Now for some more pressure, I'm putting down the notebook on top of it, and I am holding all the threads together and pulling them all out at once. I think so, too much pressure. Oh,
Too less pressure, Mommy.
Is it?
Too less.
Let's see how it looks. I'm not sure.
Paint too much.
Not bad. No, it's gonna look very nice once it's dried out.
Okay, then it looks nice.
It looks nice. Ahana's looks more of art. Mine is mixture of colors, and once it's dried out, it's gonna look very pretty. The colors are coming out really nice. And guys, this is the mirror effect. So on the both sides, we've got the same art. Yes, Ahana? Print. Yes, same way art print. So guys, I hope you liked. We tried something new for you guys. I hope you liked it.
I think so. This challenge, I want this challenge.
Yes, Ahana won this challenge, and I hope you missed us. It's been really long that we have not made any videos. So now we're back. We're gonna make more and more videos. I hope you like us more, and please, more subscribers and more. Please spread the word and get us more subscribers and like us, more thumbs up,
And share
Don't
my
forget to-
videos.
and share Ahana's videos, and do follow her on Instagram as well. We'll mention the link below, and you can tell us what you like, and if you have any ideas that you want us to make a
And
video
you can
on
comment on Instagram.
So please share your ideas. We would like to make a video on that. Right, Ahana?
Yeah.
So thank you guys. Thank you for
Thank you
watching
for
us.
watching. Don't forget to hit the bell icon, subscribe, and like my videos. Bye.
Bye bye. Have a nice day. Bye.
Bye.